Understanding the response date on an IRS transcript is crucial for individuals and businesses dealing with tax matters. In this guide, we will break down what the response date means and how it applies to your tax situation. First, let's define what an IRS transcript is. An IRS transcript is a record of your tax account information, including your tax return history, payment history, and any notices or letters sent to you by the IRS. The response date is a key piece of information found on this transcript. The response date refers to the date by which you must respond to an IRS notice or letter. This date is typically included on notices that require you to take a specific action, such as providing additional information, paying a balance due, or responding to an audit notice. When you receive an IRS notice, it's essential to review it carefully and take note of the response date. Missing this deadline can result in additional penalties, fines, or even the loss of your right to appeal an IRS decision. To ensure you meet the response date, make a note of the deadline as soon as you receive the notice. You can respond to the IRS by mail, phone, or online, depending on the type of notice and the instructions provided. In some cases, you may need to request an extension of the response date. This can be done by contacting the IRS and providing a valid reason for the request. However, it's crucial to make this request before the original response date has passed. Best practices for dealing with an IRS response date include responding promptly, keeping a record of your response, and following up with the IRS to confirm receipt of your response. By taking these steps, you can avoid potential issues and ensure a smooth resolution to your tax matter. In conclusion, understanding the response date on an IRS transcript is vital for managing your tax obligations and avoiding potential penalties. By being aware of this key deadline and taking prompt action, you can ensure a positive outcome and maintain a good standing with the IRS.